fam, I'm McFerran, founder of Glamnetic, and I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is to apply our brand new self-adhesive lash extensions. This is a game changer for false lashes. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, once you follow these easy steps, you can say hello to flawless, longer lasting lashes. This one-step application gives you the ultimate look for up to 3 days without any hassle or mess. With a feather-like feel, each lash cluster effortlessly snaps into place without you feeling weighed down. Seriously, you'll barely notice them. As an additional bonus, each lash band is infused with coconut oil, which means your natural lashes will stay healthy and hydrated during each wear. And don't worry, everything is 100% latex-free and vegan. Inside this cute little package, you get not one, but 2 pairs of our self-adhesive lash extensions, plus a mini lash grab to make your application even easier. This tool is a total game changer for adhering and adjusting your lashes with absolute precision. Today, I'm using OMG from the Wispy Ready Kit. First, make sure your hands are thoroughly cleaned and dry. This will make sure any oils or unwanted makeup won't get in the way of the perfect application. Then, using the Lash Grab, apply each self-adhesive cluster underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly above the waterline. Some people find it easier to use your fingertips instead of the Lash Grab. This is fully your personal preference, so it's up to you. As you work your way to the inner corner, don't leave any gaps in between each lash cluster. The last thing you'll do is gently pinch the clusters to your natural lashes. Adjust your lashes as needed, then follow the same process on your other eye. Then voila, you're done and you're looking gorgeous. It's easier than ever to get flawless lashes with our new self-adhesive lash extension kits. So get ready to flaunt your new look and don't forget to share and tag us on social. Until next time.